Hello everyone, welcome to the Nick Tech Show, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a Samsung Galaxy Tab 2. This is 8 gig model, Wi-Fi model, and yeah. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. This is a 1 gigahertz, one dual core gigahertz tablet. You can get it for $179, and so let's get done with the unboxing, shall we? So as we just open the box here, turn it up here. There we go, the box is undone. Now we take the box open, and voila, we have the tablet. Real light. Over here we got our volume and power button. Here we have our headphone jack. Here is our micro SD card slot, our adapter, to connect to PC and 2 speakers, and then that is our RF blaster for the TV. This right here, which feels kind of nice tablet. It's got a better feel than the iPad. Let's see what we got. Right, so in the box we have our plug, got quick guides, USB cable, and our power brick. So yeah, I'm gonna be making another video probably in a week or so, maybe, to review the tablet to its fullest. I'm not gonna do a first impression just because I don't really have time to right now, and so yeah, I'll try to get that video up this video up as soon as possible, and the other one. And that was your Samsung Galaxy Tab 7-inch tablet. And hope you like, subscribe, and share this video and comment. And now we will have on our website, we have a lot of Android news on our website, so stay tuned for more possibilities with the computer group.